So in this training, we are going to understand Android application framework. As far as Android application framework is concerned, Android application framework is divided into the API framework, native C libraries, Android runtime, and system applications. Let's just understand how this Android application framework works. Android application framework actually has three different sections. The first section is managers. In the managers, we have activity manager to manage your activities which run in your Android application. We have location managers which interact with GPS provider and network provider. They fetch latitude and longitude and can provide you latitude longitude of the current Android device. Then we have package manager which interacts with Android manifest file, read permissions, allow and grant permissions. We have notification manager which receive notifications and display notifications to user. Then we have resource managers in order to interact with XML in Android application development. Then we have telephony manager using which we can send SMS, we can perform a call. Now using window manager, what you can do is you can draw individual components like layouts, and you can draw components over applications as well. Let's say you would have seen some example assistive touch type of controls on your mobile devices. Now what we can do is, let's discuss content providers. So content providers are such programs which interact with databases of already existing applications and can give information from that database to any other application who needs that information. For example, let's say on our device we have an application known as WhatsApp installed. This WhatsApp application, as soon as we open this WhatsApp application requires contacts from the mobile phone. So what WhatsApp will do, WhatsApp will communicate with the content provider of my phone database and he will fetch the contacts from it. And this particular section is managed through content providers. Okay. Then what we have is the third section in the Android application framework is the view system. And on this view system, what we have is whatever views are displayed in your Android application. Let's say we have a grid layout displayed at the moment on screen. So this is displayed with respect to the view system. Now what we have is, once the API framework is clear, now you can see that resource manager is actually what it does. Let's say if I show you this application, now what you can see is at the moment a specific layout is displayed on screen. And on this layout, we have a complete image view. We have 3 image buttons. And on this image buttons, let's say we have an icon for mobile phone, icon for grid, and icon for message. So all these resources, the image view resource, this complete layout, these icons, images, everything is handled by resource manager in Android. And what package manager actually is, package manager is an application. If we go to settings, and let me just explain you. So what we can do is we can go to settings. Within settings, you can see that there is a section known as applications. On this applications section, you can see that all these applications are managed. All the services are managed. So these applications and services are managed using package manager. What package manager do? It is able to install an application in your Android mobile device and it interacts with all these applications, and you can manage activities like if you want to delete an application, if you want to update an application, all these things, installation, uninstallation, management of the data, everything is handled using this package manager class. Clear?